Looks good. Nice and even. It's working perfect. Check it out. And there's the wattage, 159, 160. Check that out. Full-size grilled cheese. Perfectly toasted. Beautiful. Sweet. Items needed: cast iron plate, 6 heating elements, high heat tape, 2 bricks, extension cord wire, the 12-volt power source, and a lid. And that's it. Just grab your elements, lay them out, grab your high heat tape, tape them down, then connect the wires like that, and flip it over on the bricks. Then add your extension cord wires here and here, and put that to the 12-volt power source. And that's it. The unit itself will draw anywhere between 160 to 205 watts. The more food and the colder it is, the higher the wattage. The half-pound burger was the 205 watts. The elements themselves are actually self-regulating, so they sense the coolness, and the colder the item you put in the pan, the more wattage they draw, at least at first, to counteract that, because they want to stay at a certain temperature. To clean it, by the way, I just used a green scrubbing pad with some water on it, and then dried off the water with a paper towel. Good as new. And finally, here's a detailed list of everything that I used, followed by a stats and info page. Just pause the player for easy reading.